Good morning, guys. We are exercising and yeah, we just took a walk and then we did our stretches. Now we're gonna since we're gonna have two, I'm gonna let these two first go and then I'm gonna go. But anyway,
I'm here trying to Lulu go.
yes, wait. Alright, so you're going to go down? No, go to put the stand up when you're gone dumb. We're gonna do a few, just a few, like what Julie knows so much a while ago. Belly exercises. We're going to start off with the planks. So they're already on your belly.
Planks. I hate the planks, people. I hate the planks.
And you use your hand to try to touch it. So you're working on this side.
Mommy,
so you
I
can
never
go in.
supposed to work on we lifters stand.
You
know, so you have to come back to work.
Okay, now what can we figure?
I want Coca-Cola shape back.
Big Coca-Cola.
Small.
So after, alright.
Alright, Shanique. That's all.
Pepsi.
A 4 you want, right? Or you want 8?
No, 6.
2, 4. Oh yeah, sorry.
You're the math teacher. Make sure you play that in your video. Make sure when you hear the math teacher, how much you want? 4 or 8. How much are we people? 3. 2 threes.
My brain now work right now.
2 threes. You know what? Fair 2 threes 8. Some people come because again make me mad.
Me I work out 2 to the power of 3. That mean that work. How y'all feeling?
Really?
How y'all feeling? Good. All right, guys, get up so we can stretch. We're gonna stretch. Update time, guys. We are now finished with exercise. We did devotion, and right now I am going to make my bed, get ready for school, and then I'll see you guys after that, because I think I've shown you guys a lot of times what I do in the mornings, but just wanted to vlog today's exercise because we're going epic today. We kind of missed one of the we kind of missed one of the days. Don't remember, we did not feel like doing anything one of those days, so I wanted to make up for it today. So we did extra. We're gonna feel good, so I might do these kind of exercises like pretty much every day. I don't know yet, but yeah, I'm gonna get ready for school. Like this, not keep focusing. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready for school and then I'll see you guys after. Alright guys, so I am currently ready for school. I did a little bit of hairstyle. I don't know what I'm doing because my hair wants to wash, but so it's kind of, it look wet and it just look oily, but that's fine. Anyways, so I wanted to comb my hair in a style because I like want to do a video later, so not sure which one you guys gonna see first, if this one or the, I think I might show you guys the other one first. Yeah, but anyways, this is the look. I got on this yellow blouse and this, I'm gonna show you in the mirror. What? So yes, I have on this, it's registration time. I have on this yellow blouse with this shark looking shorts and my Crocs and socks. So basically this is what I wore yesterday, but I'm wearing it again today. Yeah. I can't contact the girl out of bed, please. Thank you. Take her out of my bed.
I'm tired. Nobody on the outside.
Anyways,
Yeah, pocket broken to people.
could you please be quiet so I can vlog? Alright guys, so I took a nap.
No, she didn't.
I took a post nap.
That is not even post.
No, I don't know why, but I just couldn't sleep.
It was.
But yeah, I locked for like one good 5 minutes or less, and I'm up. So I was idling with Shanique, but now I don't know if I'm gonna have class because there's no internet. So but just wait a little bit, go reset the internet, and then we'll see if we're gonna have class. If not, I'm gonna do my lesson plans or something like that. So yeah. Okay guys, so it's like currently 6:25 p.m. I decided like on a day-to-day basis that I would finish, since my timetable finishes at 3, it would focus. Yeah, so my timetable finished at 3 o'clock. But today I wanted to do my lesson plans, so I was actually doing this and I wanted to make at least this one so pretty. I don't know, I just got into it and I'm like, it's so cute, so I just want to continue it being so cute. And look at that, look at colors, look at that, it's so pretty to me. And I don't know, but it takes time. I'm now at the 20th slide and I don't know, I'm almost done though. Yeah, so I'm almost done. I'm sweaty, I need to go shower and all of that and then just relax. But I want to finish a little bit more on this lesson plan first before I do that. So just updating you guys of what I'm doing and all of that. So yes, just currently have the book out and have the computer. I'm gonna give myself, hopefully I will finish by 7:15 thereabouts. I want to finish by 7:30 so I can go and bathe and then just chill, because I do have work tomorrow and I have work up to 3 tomorrow. So, and then let me not have the class 2 to 3. I have a class from 2 to 3 right, so okay. Yeah, I don't like afternoon classes, you know. Math's not for teach after after lunch. Anyways, but yeah, that's what's going on.
I've been wanting something from you. You made me that nothing. I've been wanting something from you. You made me that nothing.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome to another vlog. It is currently Friday, September 17th, 8:14 a.m. So I'm supposed to be at school pretty much, but I don't have any class right now, so that is why I'm filming. So I just finished filming a video for you guys. I think you would have seen it before, not sure when. I don't remember when it's in my plan for, but yes, I'm not even sure. But I just finished filming a video and we gotta clean up, so I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna go and make some breakfast because I haven't had breakfast yet. So we're gonna make some breakfast. I think we're thinking of like some eggs and some bread, so just something simple for the morning. So yeah. All right guys, we're gonna find, ooh, thoughts. We got some burgers. Do we want burgers? We got bologna, we got some franks. That seems like all the breakfast stuff. That heats up, we are gonna get some eggs and franks and franks as well. So yeah, eggs and franks it is for breakfast.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh.
Alright guys, so I know you might be hearing the walker. Them I cut the grass and I need to vlog. But anyways, hey guys, so right now I am currently dressed. I showered and now I'm dressed for Young Adult Fellowship. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. So guys, this is what I decided to wear. Not my camera being dirty. So this is what I decided to wear. This top that says just wing it, live eyeliner, everything. I got on these shorts, yeah, and then I have on these shoes, yeah. So right now my beds needs to be spread, so I went for the sheets, so I'm gonna spread them now. Alright, so I made that bed and I also made this bed. I had to push it in, but I'm gonna need to find my blankets I'm gonna use. So yeah, done. Yeah, good morning guys, good morning. So I forgot I was supposed to be vlogging, so I actually started wiping and I had to go for the camera, so let's continue wiping.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh. wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting.
Alright guys, so I am finished. Look fat. Just not stay well, but hey guys. So it's currently raining. It is currently raining, but I'm gonna finish some less plans. I don't know what I'm doing for the rest of the afternoon. Oh yes, I'm gonna do my sister's hair, not sure what else, and then I'm done for the evening.